Okay, new products. As always, if you want to support Adafruit while we are just shipping essentials, you can get a gift certificate, Adafruit.io. You can get a Plus account. There are still a few slots left for AdaBox. The new AdaBox, we just shipped Lady Ada to you, so trust me, it's worth it. And then, of course, we have our engineering and R&D and logistics services available. But the new products right now that will be available very soon.
Yes, these are coming soon. A basic thermometer. So we have the no-contact thermometer and the fever scanner. But for Adafruit team members, we want to make sure everybody has a plain thermometer, and you can't get these anymore.
Yeah.
So we're sourcing a couple hundred of them. These are very basic. Go in your armpit, go under your tongue.
We are starting with our Adafruit team, and then we're expanding it to anyone in New York City can order these. Limit one per customer. Anyone in New York State, and then we'll go to New Jersey, and then we'll probably just say if you're in a hotspot, those are the locations we'll allow orders because these will go very fast. Next up.
Next up, we have some simple white cotton masks. So these are 3 layers of cotton sewn together into a mask. You get like a pack of 10 or 20, and they're inexpensive and they can be dyed and decorated, but they're also just designed to be very easy to wash and use if you want.
Yeah,
non-disposable.
2 different sizes.
Small and large.
Yeah. Next up, gloves in Adafruit Black.
Yep. Well, we use gloves all the time for non-medical purposes. We wear them when we're handling solder paste or when we're testing boards. And we saw that it's getting harder just to get even non-medical gloves.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll get small, medium, and large size nitrile gloves. They're latex-free for use for our teams, but also for other people who might need gloves.
This week, the star of the show, besides our healthcare providers and everyone who's out there on the front lines, and our community, our team members, and you, Lady Ada, is the No-Touchy.
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 So this is like a little invention that you flip it out, and then you can use it to poke elevator buttons. And inside is a little sponge that you can soak with isopropyl alcohol, and use that to disinfect it after it's done.
No-Touchy.
I just thought this was a really cute little design.
No-Touchy.
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 I don't know the official name of it, but I'm calling it No-Touchy.
Yeah, and Naomi Wu is a friend of ours. She's in Shenzhen.
She sent this over.
We saw some of these, but we're working with her because she is there where they had an outbreak and then they had a recovery, and now they're starting to go back to what is going to be called normal. And so we're working not only with Naomi, but we have our other partners in China. A lot of our factory partners in Wuhan are coming back, and a lot of our friends and partners are in Shenzhen. So we're on the lookout for a lot of things. What's working there will probably work here now.
Yeah.
So
also, I just thought this was really cute.
No-Touchy.
No-Touchy.
And that is new products.